What's up, guys? It's Daniel with my 2016 Bike Check. Starting off, we got some Odyssey par ends, the little ones that you have to screw into your bars. Had them for a long time, held up actually very well. Grips, I got ODI Super Softs, putting in work, very grippy. Bars, I got S&M 11s. They're very comfortable. Kind of new to me. I had them for like 2 months. The stem, I had it for a long time, since like 2-3 years. It's a S&M, I think it's a XL race stem, I think. I don't know, it's held up, it's fine, still works. Headset, I got a Primo headset. But headset's a headset, as long as it spins, it works. Primo Strand V2 forks. Had those for a while as well. Tire, Fit FAF 2.25. Rim is a Primo 7 Series. And then the hub is a Primo NF V1. That's the male axle. Hub guard is a G Sport. Front peg is a, what is it again? Colt Butter. Yeah, there you go. Colt Butter. The frame is a Sputnik frame, but I'm currently running my brother's frame because I cracked mine along the whole head tube and everywhere. So need to get myself a new frame. The seat is a Stranger seat. It's a fat seat. It's comfortable. Looks nice. Pedals are Odyssey Twisted PCs. Plastic ones. They're pretty good. I like them. Cranks are Odyssey 12 bolts. 175 millimeter. Sprocket is a Sunday Knox guard sprocket, 28 tooth. The chain is a Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain. Bottom bracket is some cheap one. I don't know. I think it's Primo. I don't know, but again, bearings are just bearings. Back tire, Fit FAF 2.25, same as the front. Hoop is the rim is a 7 Series again. Back hub is a Madeira back hub. And the back peg is also a Colt Butter. And the back hub guard is a Daily Grind hub guard. Oh, I forgot the seat post thingy. It's a Shadow. Yeah. And yeah. So that's my 2016 bike check. Hope you like my bike. And yeah, until next time.